Are you doing this to every single one?
Every single one, yeah. It's going to take a long time.
And why are you doing this?
So there's no metal shavings in there?
Well, I thought you were practicing for dishes. That'd be great. This could be practice for dishes.
Yeah, you're funny.
Maybe you should practice on dishes so you could do this. What do you think about that? We'll ask Shabina. Nope. See? Mom wins again. So are you just reconditioning this transmission, or is this you're just cleaning the insides of the transmission? Because it gets extra special cleaning?
The case blew apart.
Okay. This was on Garrett's mower.
Yeah.
And do you think it can be fixed?
Yeah.
So what do you...
New case.
Just a sec. Oh, put it back in this. Put it back. Where'd you get the new case from?
Backyard.
Why do you have so many parts, Chris? Chris, really? Chris?
Because I bought lots of mowers.
Is that really a true story? Does anyone enable your obsession? Chris?
Yeah.
Who's that? Honey.